What's the meaning of concessive? Concessive. Concessive.
Concessive. Concessive. Concessive refers to the expression of a concession or an admission contrary to what is expected or desired. It is a grammatical structure used to indicate that one idea or situation is opposed to another, yet still allows for the validity of the opposing assertion. Concessive language can be used to show respect, acknowledge the other person's opinion, or even express politeness. By using concessive language, speakers can make concessions without admitting weakness or giving up their positions entirely, allowing for a more nuanced and respectful conversation.